In this video, I will guide you to 3 different ways to deposit a check with Bank of Montreal. So don't miss out on this step-by-step process as we explore check deposits using the app, computer, and ATM. So without further ado, let's get started. So if you're diving into the app scene, just kick it off by jumping into the BMO mobile banking app. And once you're in, smoothly navigate your way to the pay and transfer section, and from there you will spot the option to deposit a check. Now, just a heads up, make sure you're on board with the terms before you spill the check details. Now, just enter the amount on your check, pick the account where you want the funds to go, and snap photos of both the front and back of the check. This is a quick and easy way to get the check securely deposited. So once that's all set, hit the deposit button and you're good to go. Now, if you're more of a computer person, just go ahead and grab either the BMO direct deposit form or the Government of Canada direct deposit form, whichever floats your boat. So just fill in the info, maybe toss in a void check or jot down your account numbers, then send it to the payer and you're good to go. Now, for the ATM enthusiasts out there, here's the drill. Pop in your debit card, enter your PIN, and select deposit. Now, toss in your checks and perhaps a bit of cash, no envelope was needed. Then, double check and confirm your deposit. Take a glance at the ATM summary, and if something's up, then you can easily fix it right on the spot. And that's it. So, whether you chose the app, went with the computer, or opted for the trusty ATM, that's how you smoothly handle depositing a check with BMO. Now, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment, share this content, and subscribe for more guides and tips.